Yes, in this video we are going to see what are the options are available in NX Sheetmetal, and this is actually Sheetmetal tutorial videos which you guys were asking multiple times. So I decided to make a video on that. This is the common interface for the Sheetmetal in NX. Initially, we will going to select any one of the line to create a sketch. Actually, we have two options. Let me explain it. Initially, we have to create a sketch on any one of the plane. Here, I will going to create a plane on the top line. Let me draw a sketch. It can be a rectangle. We will define a sketch. This can be like 80. Here, it will be like 50. Yeah, anything as per your. Here the sketch is fully defined, as you can see it over here. As you can see it. After that, we do have an option called tab. This is like a base element. Here, as you can see, it is already predefined. If you want, you can override that. You click on this is equal to, and you will get an option called use local value. You can able to add like a 2 mm. Okay, now we have actually created a base flange of the sheetmetal. After that, we can, for edge flange, we do have an option called flange. We can select any one of the edges, like this, and we do have these many options over here. Yes, after creating a base flange, now we are planning to create a edge flange. For creating an edge flange, we have selected one edge in the base flange. Here we do have so many options called width, and this is for fully. If you want to create edge flange only at the center, means we can able to select it over here. As you can observe it on screen, it is getting updated accordingly, and you can define the width of this as well. For example, if I'm giving like 25 mm, it will going to update automatically. And also we can able to give the edges as well. We can able to define the angle, which is over here. Let me give like 90 mm itself. And this is like a length preference. How much length you need, you know what. Here I just define it as 30 mm length, which is from inside to like outside, material inside or outside. These we have to select as per our field. Let me create it something like this. After that, we can able to select at end. For that, we have to specify which end. We have to define at which end it has to be considered. I'm just giving this end. I just defined it. Now, as you can see, it has already taken 15 mm from this end itself. So this is how it will work. If you want, this is from end. We're going to we can able to give the dimension of this one. This is that dimension. Here I just updated like 5. As you can see, from here to here the distance is just 5 mm as we have defined over here. Okay, and this is from both the ends. And this is exactly like application oriented. It is entirely depend on what application which you are using. From what application you are creating this one. Here I'm just giving like 10 mm and 5 mm, and this is what it creates. If you want to edit, let's just right click on this. We can able to edit it. You can able to edit it from here. Yeah, this is what. This is how it actually works. This is like offset like, let me give 5 mm. just offset it inside. If you want to offset outside this, it is considered. If you want to increase that as well, you consider. Here to be 15 mm. These are the bend parameters. These are the bend radius. It can be customized. Here the thickness of the sheet is just 2 mm. For that, we have to give the bend radius as 2 mm as per the standards. Just updating like 2 mm. You can able to give the bend relief as well. So the options are available for bend relief. Initially, it has taken the standard. If, in order to update, we have to click over here and then use the local value. Here I'm just updating manually. Initially, it was taken automatically like 3 mm as per the standards. So, like this, you can modify as per the application. I don't want any offset, so I'm just getting like 0. This is one standard method, and also we do have like other method as well. Let me show that one as well. I'm just selecting Sheetmetal interface. So, okay, and I just select different plane. Just getting okay. Here, I'm just drawing a sketch. As you can see, I just created a sketch. This can be like 100 mm. It's like 75 or 150 or 100 itself. Make it be equal. Now, I'm just deleting this line. Okay. Now, as you can observe, I already deleted this line. And this is like 100 mm. Let me define it. Or let me assign the geometrical parameters as equal lengths. This one has to be equal. And now it is fully constrained. Now I just selecting this counter flange. Now, as you can see, Sheetmetal is created as per that sketch. We do have an option finite or symmetric, which we can able to create it. Here we have types called base. Here I just selecting symmetric. Sheetmetal thickness, it can be like 3 mm, and we have like a reverse option. Here it is just considering inside the sketch. If I click over here, it is considering outside the sketch. These are the two options which can get it. And this bend radius, it is defined over here. And this is what. And actually, this option is very helpful. For example, if I give apply over here, please. Apply and cancel. Here the U bend Sheetmetal is created. As you can see it over here, we have used only one feature. We have not used any multiple feature. In the first method, in order to create this, we have to use the multiple features. Initially, we have to create a base flange by using this one tab. After that, we have to use this flange. By using this counter flange, we can able to create a complex Sheetmetal shapes as per the applications. I hope this video will give you some of the basic information. How can we create a Sheetmetal in NX? So, if you guys liked this video, if you guys learned anything from this video, means you can just give a thumbs up for this video. So it will actually motivates me to create a more content on these many topics